I'm Dr. Matt Durant with Valley Chiropractic Center, and today I am bringing you the first video in a series of 4 where we discuss the power of the chiropractic adjustment. Today, we will discuss what facet joints are and how these joints work for our bodies. If you've ever had neck or back pain that you could put a finger on or a sharp pain when moving, it might be due to facet joints in your spine. It's easy to think of your facet joints as the knuckles of your spine. These small joints contain a capsule and a cartilage pad that glide and slide, allowing your spine and body to move with ease. As you go through your life and your spinal discs go through the aging process, your facet joints take on the extra load. Unfortunately, this excess stress and pressure can wear down your joints. This results in the beginning of the degeneration process, which can end up causing adhesions, restrictions, bone spurs, and even pain. Remember, facet joints in your spine slide and glide as you move. Restrictions or adhesions in the facets can occur with age and injury, and a spinal adjustment can help the facet joints move freely and decrease painful restrictions. The facet joints of your spine love to move. Movement helps them stay healthy and may even slow down the degeneration process. Spinal adjustments have been shown to reduce the adhesions that happen in the facet joints while allowing you to move more freely with less pain. We believe when you're moving better, you're feeling better, and we're proud to be a part of your healthcare team that helps you stay active. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in video number 2.